Take out all your course books, page number 9. So I have received PPTs from Sannidhi, Samanyu, Viraj. That's it. No others shared me the PPT of soil, something I told her, soil erosion. So I told not yesterday only. So I gave you time, right? So no problem. You can send me today or tomorrow. Yes, Netra?
Ma'am, today I will do, ma'am.
Okay. Sai Kirtan. No, ma, I did not get. Yes, ma, Dharvin Tej, tell me.
Ma'am, when I open PowerPoint that's coming, you should signing. Already we signing also, ma'am.
You should sign in, it is asking.
Yes, ma'am, already we signing also.
So you have typed the password correct only.
Yes, ma'am.
So it might be wrong, Nana. Then why it will not ask? So user ID and password, make it correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Now take out course books page number. Yeah, Vinmay, tell me.
Ma'am, I didn't read page number 7.
Why you are absent on the day?
7 and 8, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Absent.
Yeah, okay. Write down page number 7. I am sharing you the screen. Write down. Yeah, first fill in the blanks with appropriate words. A A1 is yes, I Kirtan, tell me.
Ma'am, I see it again in the WhatsApp also. It is showing you saw.
I have seen, or maybe I forgot your name. Okay, no problem. Yeah, now here A1 is fill in the blanks. 1 second. First one is presentation. Those who have written, quiet. Those who have not written, write it. Planning, execution, and verification. D1, planning, E1 dot ppt. F, execution. Okay, this is first bit. Now second bit. A comma B comma C. It's 3, 4, 2, 1. What happened, Pranav?
Ma'am, you did not give us page number 9.
I know. For that only I asked, but Vrinmai is having this also incomplete. So after this, I'll tell you. Okay, page number 8. The order is 2413. It's 2, 4, 1, and 3 here. The title would be Save Water. Now next, about the teacher you have written everyone, page number 9. Only first two I think I have given. Vinmay, I have not written page number 9 also. Yeah, continue. First one is teacher, right? How PowerPoint presentation is useful for the teacher or what, for what purpose they use. You can write down. Teachers can use PowerPoint presentations to make their teaching more effective and attractive. Next one is businessman. Yeah, next one is businessman, right? Businessman can use PowerPoint to show the company's sales report to their managers and employees. Okay. Now one more, marketing executives, right? Oh, shit. Marketing executive PowerPoint is useful for marketing executives to show to share their strategy of sales and marketing. Okay. This is useful for Amma. Next is students. Using PowerPoint by students will help to enhance their learning experience. Yeah, clear everyone? Completed with my completed? Write fast. After this, take out page number 17, everyone. Page number 17. Yes, Pranav?
Ma'am, all lessons finish, ma'am.
No, one more topic is there. All? What did you say?
Ma'am, all topics finish.
No, one more topic is left. Open your course book and see once. One more week is left.
Yes, ma'am.
How to create animations. You have created slides, right?
Ma'am.
How to create animations is left. Fifth period. Fifth period కూడా ఇస్తున్నారు కదా?
Too bad. Saying you did not hear in assembly. They told to do not send messages. You did not hear. They told do not send messages.
క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నారా?
They told
Yes, ma, completed.
completed. No.
Everyone.
Completed. No.
Yes, ma. Now take out page number 17, everyone. Yes, ma. Huria, tell me. Any doubts, Huria?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday you told to make that PPT. I made it. Shall I show?
Now you will show. Can you WhatsApp me?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Right. Yes, ma. Match the following. See here, yes. Normal view. Miniature of all slides. B. Slide sorter view. Shows the presentation in full screen. Next, slide show view. Default view used for editing the slides. So now yes, Pranav, tell me.
Ma'am, first one is for third one, and second one is for first one, and third one is for second one.
Yes, first normal view means default view used for editing the slides. Okay. Slide sorter view means miniature of all the slides. Slideshow view means shows the presentation in full screen. Yes, good. Next one, right or wrong? Yeah. You can answer the questions. What is that first one? Ramesh is giving multiple titles to each slide in his presentation. Is it right or wrong? Yeah, is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Ramesh,
Wrong.
Yeah, right.
Ramesh is giving multiple titles. Can we give each, title for each and every slide?
Right.
Right. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
it's wrong. We should not give title for each and every slide. So suppose you are taking, you have written soil PPT, you have prepared, right? So for each and every you have mentioned title for each and everything,
Yes, ma'am.
but it's not compulsory, man. I mean, you can delete that title slide. You can just go for adding, just add the text. It's not necessary to give slide title to each and every slide. Okay, so then it is wrong.
Then second one.
Second one is right,
Second
ma'am.
one is
Right.
Priya has a lot of content to cover in her presentation, so she is
Ma'am,
using
correct.
10 bullet points.
Tick.
Yeah.
Right.
And Swati is not at all worried about the time allotted to her presentation.
False.
Wrong.
So we should have mentioned some, we should maintain some time. Okay. If they, suppose we are presenting something, okay, in like seminars or like that, we should not go on presenting. We should have some time limit, right? They will give us time limit. So we should be bound to that time limit. So next one, Rima is
Wrong.
using images and graphs to make her presentation more effective.
True.
True. True.
Tick, 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 tick.
Tick.
Yes, completed.
2 ticks, 2 rounds.
So here what you have to do, already you have prepared some slides, right? So what you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
do, yeah, this is again your homework for today. What you have to write, plan and design a presentation using the storyboard given below. So what all you have done, that you have to write in these slides.
And we have to write in book or that computer.
Here in the book, not in the computer. Whatever you have
What
written
is
there, just
computer, ma'am?
copy it here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. A PPT, same PPT. However, how you have prepared, in the same way you have to write here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, page number 18 is your homework. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now coming to group C. Look at the slide given below. Find if there are any drawbacks. If yes, provide an improved slide. So, facts about India. So, what is a drawback in this? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am.
Drawback. Drawback means what is wrong in this slide?
Ma'am, second paragraph. In
First of all,
beginning.
facts about India means that should be maintained in the bullets or number list. It should be in the bullets form, right? And we have to divide the points according to the bullets, right? So now I will write that. You write the same thing in your book also. The improved form you can write.
Okay,
Ma'am, which page?
Page number, what is that? 19?
19.
Page number 19. First title would be Facts about India, right?
yes.
Ma'am, you told you should give bullets.
Yeah, this is title I am giving. After that, bullets.
Okay.
So I think here I can give or not. Okay, I'll open MS Word.
Ma'am, open MS Word, ma'am.
Yes, ma, opening. Wait. Yes, Nana, who is this?
Lakshmi Saiji.
What happened? Quiet and now write this.
MS Word.
Yeah.
Blank document.
Yeah, facts about. But to.
Ma'am, we cannot see.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes.
It's too
1 second.
small.
Is it okay?
Now keep it in Algerian style, ma'am. Algerian handwriting.
Okay, ma'am.
It's too big, right?
Ma'am, keep in Algerian style.
Facts about
Ma'am,
Yes, India, right? So this should be in the middle actually. Now add bullets. Which one? Yeah. Okay. Now
And keep it in Nigerian style.
first
That
write
one,
this.
not in.
First read properly, Sritan.
Ma'am, we should write that.
Yes, ma. Write in page number 19. Improved slide. In improved slide, you have to write this.
Ma'am, the bullets.
The name of the name.
facts
Yeah,
about
is
mm,
derived from the
Facts about India.
mm,
river
mm, 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 mm.
Yes, ma. Sannidhi, what happened? Tell me.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
You raised your hand. Any doubts?
No.
Okay, then continue. Continue writing. From the river Indus. This is 1 point. Next, the game of, yeah, 10 minutes left. Write fast, children. The game of snakes, ladders was created by the 13th century Gyandev. Next, everything is there in that slide only. You have to write just in the bullets format. Like that's it. Same information, but largest number of post offices in the world. And martial arts were first created in India and later spread to Asia. Spread to Asia by Buddhist missionaries. Next, yoga has its origins in India and has existed for over 5,000 years. Yes, that's it. Write fast, Nana, everyone. You can just add underline. 5 minutes more, write fast. And I want everyone to complete the page 18 and send me the pictures. Only daily 2 or 3 are sending. I don't know about others.
Ma'am, place is not sufficient.
You have to write so small, ma. Small you have to write. Otherwise it will not fit. I will share this also. You can write.
Ma'am, I don't have your number.
Who is that?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
finish. I have still more space too.
Darwintage, ma'am.
Why, Darwin? Daily,
Yes.
each and every class, I will
Till
be
10,
giving
9
my
till
number.
Ma'am, I have all teacher numbers.
Ma'am, I don't have your number, ma'am.
Take it from your friends. Okay.
Wait, I'll give you number. It is in team 2 book.
What?
In team 2 book only.